Welcome to this video presentation here at 7daysonly.co.uk, and here we have the Ford Puma. It's on a 20 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside its boot space. First of all, the tailgate on this car will open electronically, as you can see. As you can also see, we have reversing sensors and plenty of boot space as well, which can be increased by lifting this section. And as you can see there, a huge amount of space underneath. And in fact, this area will hold not only up to 50 kilograms, but if you remove this section, there is a drain hole to the outside of the vehicle. So if you wanted to, you could, for example, wash off muddy football boots, whatever it might be, and then drain the water out from there. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through just a few of the controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on this dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the far left-hand side, we have the coolant temperature gauge, then the speedometer. On the right-hand side, the rev counter and fuel gauge. You can change the information displayed in the centre for lots of different menus, including your fuel economy, your trip computer here, which you can reset should you need to. And that is all done with the buttons just here. We have our stereo and phone controls. Stereo controls continue on the left-hand side, along with cruise control and speed limiter as well. Into the center, the main touchscreen. So we're on the settings menu at the moment, where you can see we have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay both available. You can get to your home screen in that top left hand corner, where you'll be able to access your satellite navigation. It's also where you can of course pair up your phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
Once you've done so, you'll be able to make and receive phone calls and stream your music wirelessly as well. In the top right hand corner is where you'll find your audio options: AM, FM and DAB radio, Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly as well as making and receiving phone calls. This car's also got 2 USB inputs, which will appear here if you plug devices into them, and a full color parking camera. In fact, when it goes to parking, we also have autonomous parking, so the car can parallel park and perpendicular park itself. Volume for your stereo is just here. Working our way down, we have the climate control, so you can adjust the temperature, the fan speed, and the direction the air is being distributed in. That's your air conditioning off and on again, or hit auto. The car will take full control for you, which you can hear it doing, and it will do that to maintain whatever temperature you have asked for. You can put it back on your own settings just here. We have a heated rear screen and a heated front screen, some storage down here, a 12-volt charging socket, a USB input, the gear lever for your 6-speed manual gearbox. We can change the driving setup of the car, turn our traction control on and off. That's the button that turns on the autonomous parking. We can turn off the stop and start, and we can turn off the parking sensors. We've then got 2 cup holders. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at 7daysonly.co.uk. We'd love to hear from you soon.